Hey everyone, welcome back. Want to create amazing architectural visualizations, but find interior models too hard to make or too expensive to buy? In this video, I will show you affordable, high-quality models to take your 3D projects to the next level. Let's get started. We have the interior collection from the talented team at Interior Models. They also have these nice collection of assets, which if you want you can check the link in the description. This amazing collection features over 9,000 assets. Yes, over 9,000. These assets are perfect for creating realistic interior renders. You can see some of the renders on the screen right now. Here you can see the type of assets are included. One asset for only 2 cents, and each asset is handcrafted with clean topology, meaning they're high quality and fully optimized. Plus, the collection is fully compatible with the Blender asset browser, with every asset neatly categorized for easy access. Just drag and drop them into your scene. No extra hassle. And the best part? You get free updates for life. Do consider taking a look at their other asset packs. And you can also get pre-built interior scenes bundle. So, thousands of valuable assets are available here. So you will find the link to it in the description below. That's been it. Let me know if you guys like this asset library or not. And don't forget to check out the video YouTube recommends for you right here on the screen. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.